What a bad dog. Floppy goes on the concrete. Floppy goes in the mud. Floppy pull on the washing down. Floppy push the Lego over. What a bad dog, says Mommy. Floppy barks and barks. Daddy can't sleep. Daddy is angry. What a bad dog, says Daddy. The tray is on fire. What a good dog,